Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading over to Jason's house to go check out some engines for a project you guys haven't seen yet. It's a 74 Super Beetle and it's in the other garage, and I'm going to go show that to you right now. Here's just a little sneak peek of it. We're going over to Jason's right now, so I'm going to do a full walk around when we get back from that.
DubWerks decides to show up and try to hunt a dual port. Where's the motor, Josh?
All the way shoved in the back?
All the way in the back. That's right. He couldn't wait till, couldn't do it beforehand, but...
Done this yesterday?
We're just happy he's here. More junk.
You see it?
Yep.
Is
Yeah.
it?
Huh?
Is it?
Well, it's funny because it's got the older generator on it, where, and then it's got. Well, I don't care. But it's got, like, on 74 they had this little diaphragm here.
So it is a 74 engine.
Yeah, I pulled that out of a low model 74.
Yep.
6
There we
months
go.
ago.
Yep.
It ran before I put it in there.
Did it?
It ran when placed.
I'm gonna grab. Oh, you got a heater. Oh, there's no heater box.
Oh,
in this thing. Okay. That's why I was like, okay.
Ready?
You want to just go on the end?
Is this a 1965?
It is.
Yeah.
The last gen.
I'll just grab.
Or not.
No? You want me to grab?
Kinda.
Here, take this side. I'll grab that side.
Here, no, I got it. I got it. I just
Here, take this side.
You sure?
Yeah.
Be very careful. Be very... Be very careful. It's fragile. It's fragile, you know.
Ready?
Be
Yeah, I'm
careful.
ready. You know.
And in it goes, and it's not end bad. Oing. Don't flip it.
I got a piece of cardboard I can pull out.
Alright, grab it.
Easy does it. Fits.
Alright, so here's the engine. You can see it's kind of stuffed between stuff from the moving. There's a second fan shroud. That's mine. Not for this because this already has one, obviously. Which is kind of cool. It's actually got the stamps from the M code still on it. But here's the engine. The code, I believe, is AH. Can't really tell. It just looks like an H. Oh no, there it is. AH383616. Right? Yeah. I'll have to look that one up and put it on the screen. Everything's there pretty much. Just needs the air cleaner and one of the heater boxes. It turns. It does turn. Made sure of that. So it'll be going in the orange bug, and it'll be on the road before mine is. Right guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video going to look for an engine at Jason's house. Let me know what you think about the 74 Beetle. I really like it. I love the color. All those bright colors from the mid-70s, like Brilliant Orange and Yosemite Yellow. I really love those colors. But But let me know what you think about it. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Volkswagen stuff, because now that there's 2 Beetles and a garage, there's definitely going to be some more videos coming out soon. So, thank you guys all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.